Are you looking for a place to travel this coming summer season? Join me and let's discover the hidden beauty of Barangay Silagan!
Located at the municipality of Alacapan, province of Cagayan Valley, a small yet peaceful, native and adventurous barangay, my warm welcome to Barangay Silagan. Ang pangalan ng barangay na ito na Silagan ay nagmula sa salitang kasilsilagan, na may kahulugang maraming silag. Ang silag ay isang uri ng puno na sinasabing marami sa lugar na ito noong unang panahon.
So let's go to our first destination, which is the Barangay Hall of Barangay Silagan.
It is the heart of Barangay Silagan. This is where the officials gather for meetings to serve, enhance, and implement projects. I take the great pride that our barangay has low crime rate and drug-free. Barangay Silagan is led by our beloved Barangay Captain, Honorable Gary G. Pasis.
Ang susunod naman nating pupuntahan ay isa sa ipinagmamalaki ng barangay na ito, ang kanilang Silagan Dam.
This dam is approximately 60 hectares, and the construction of this dam started in the year 2013 and completed in the year 2017.
Our next stop is the heart of education of this barangay, the Silagan Elementary School.
Silagan Elementary School, a place where education meets community, shaping young minds for a brighter future. Magsasaka or farming is more than just a livelihood here. It's a way of life. The fields of Barangay Silagan resonate with the hard work and dedication of its residents as they cultivate the land, ensuring sustenance for the community. The fields of Barangay Silagan not only provide sustenance, but also weave a narrative of hard work, community spirit, and the enduring connection between the people and the land. Dumako naman tayo sa ating huling destinasyon. Pupuntahan natin ang isa sa mga falls ng Barangay Silagan. If you want to unwind and appreciate the nature with its refreshing water and feel the fresh air far from pollution, well, this is a perfect place this coming summer season for you. At dito na nga nagtatapos ang ating paglalakbay. Remember that in the province of Cagayan, we believe in endless fun sa Cagayan, and here in Barangay Silagan within the heart of Alacapan, we proudly say, naisem nga Alacapan, Alacapeño ako, disiplinado. Until next time!